In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Mindnode map. By the end, you'll know how to start a fresh mind map on Mac or on iPad and iPhone, build clear branches and sub-branches, customize the look, organize your layout, and export it in the format you need. Begin by opening Mindnode. On a Mac, launch it from your Applications folder. On an iPad or iPhone, simply open the Mindnode app. From there, start a new map by choosing New Document, usually the plus icon. Mindnode will create a central node for you. Think of this as your main idea or topic. Keep it short and clear so everything else flows naturally from it. Next, add your main branches, sometimes called parent nodes. On a Mac, select the central node and press Tab to add a child node. Press Tab again to create more branches quickly. On iPad or iPhone, tap the central node, tap the Add Node button, then choose Child Node. These branches represent your main categories or key ideas that support your central topic. Use concise labels to keep the map skimmable. Now build out sub-branches. Select a main branch and on Mac, press Tab to create a child node beneath it. On iPad or iPhone, tap the branch, tap Add Node, and choose Child. This is where you add details, examples, and subtopics that make each category actionable and complete. Customize your map to make it readable at a glance. Use the inspector to change node colors under node and fill color, so each category has a consistent visual identity. Add icons from the icon section of the inspector to give quick visual cues. If you have the paid version, you can also add images from the image option in the inspector to illustrate ideas. Resize nodes by dragging their corners or adjusting padding so larger ideas have room to breathe. When the map gets busy, fold and unfold branches by clicking the small triangle or using shortcuts to hide details temporarily. Organize the layout by dragging nodes to where they make the most sense. Use folding to focus only on what you're working on. When you really need to drill into one area, turn on focus mode to concentrate on a single branch without distractions. When you're ready to share or archive, save or export your work. On Mac, go to File and choose Save or Export to PDF, OPML, or an image. On iPad or iPhone, tap Share, then export to PDF, image, or text. PDF is great for sharing, images work well in slides, and OPML is perfect if you want to move your outline to other apps.